Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of blaze.ai. In order to do so, here we are at blaze.ai and we're all logged in. And we're going to go ahead and just do a general overview of everything that Blaze is capable of to show you what you can do with Blaze. So first off, you can see here that we can create new. So let's go ahead and click on that. And that's going to bring us here to our dashboard, essentially, where we can search through and see the different options that we have with Blaze. So let's just go ahead and go down the list here. So these are our recently used options. We're going to go with popular here. So you can see here that we can create social media posts for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. We've got product descriptions that we can create. We have product visuals, so you can get some help making your product photos look like you spent thousands on a photographer. You can create video posts, generate scripts for videos, and use professional video templates for YouTube and TikTok. And you can generate blog posts. So you can write SEO optimized blog posts that will ensure you show up in Google search results. Brainstorm content ideas, quickly generate ideas for social media, emails, blog posts, and other platforms. You can analyze your business website to get content ideas on how to market your products and services. You can start with a blank slate or a blank doc if you want to. We've got some advanced tools here with the multi-channel campaign, quickly generate ideas for social media, emails, blog posts, and other materials. You can create multiple Instagram posts, so you can generate, schedule, and publish Instagram posts for a whole month. You can actually do this for different social media platforms, not just Instagram. You can do the same thing here, creating multiple blog posts. You can analyze your business website and give you ideas on how to market your products and services. You can generate copy for ads. You can create newsletters, lifecycle, e-commerce, sales. There is just a ton here that you can take advantage of. We can brainstorm ideas if you need help with content ideas, content planning, blog ideas, newsletter ideas, social media ideas. It's all here for you. You can start with a clean slate if you want. We have social media options here. So depending on what platform you want to create for, you can select these. We'll probably take a closer look here at this in a moment. You have LinkedIn posts, Instagram stories, reels, blog SEO. So if we want a blog post, blog ideas, case studies, press releases, content outline, content brief, multiple blog posts, all of that is here. Marketplace, product copy, generate product descriptions for multiple marketplace websites at once. You can make your product photos look like you spent thousands on a photographer. We took a look at that just a moment ago. For video, you can create content for all these different platforms. We've got some advanced tools here with the multi-channel campaign, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn posts. We saw that here just a moment ago. Blog posts, turn anything into content, video, audio, website, text. We've got ads. You can create, again, ads for all of these platforms. Emails, if you have a newsletter, that's something I think we'll take a look at here in a moment. You can upload your files if you want Blaze to use that. And let's see what else here. We can generate copy for websites, sales, customer support, recruiting. So let's go ahead and just go through here. And I want to see a couple of things. I wanted to take a look at the newsletter. That's something that we're working on here. So that's something that I'd be interested in. Let's go. It's under emails. So we'll go ahead and go with newsletters. What do you want to make? Ideas or copy? Let's go ahead and try copy. So highlights, offers, or products to drive actions, share stories or content to inform or inspire, create announcements, weekly updates. Let's see here. Purpose of your email. Let's go ahead and go with weekly update. And what is the purpose of your email? I think in this case, I want to focus on Google VO3, which just came out. And There we go. So then you could just see by typing that in, Blaze automatically provides us with more details there. So Google VO3 was just announced, and there's some really exciting stuff with that. We're going to go ahead and have Blaze autofill the rest. I guess we need to, let's see, can we, okay, so let's see, yeah, filled out the, let's try this again here, because I think we need to press tab. Let's see, fill in this box for me. Okay, let's try that one more time here. There we go. I think we're going to hit tab. There we go. Tab to accept. There we go. All right. So let's see here. The brand kit. We don't have that yet. So we're going to go ahead and let's see. Go from there. Okay. I guess we will have. Okay. So here we go. So we want to create a new brand kit. We haven't done that yet, but we're going to go ahead and leave that for now. Who's the target audience? Blaze did that for us. How many sections do you want? We recommend 3 for an engaging newsletter. Sounds good. Name your doc and select a location. Video editing revolution. Let's say AI film revolution. I think that's a little bit closer to the mark of what I'm looking for. Pick a subject line. Okay, so here we go. So Blaze is going to provide us a few options here. Unlock your creative potential with VO3. Revolutionize your content. Discover the future of video editing. Elevate your video production quality. Let's see. I think we'll stick with the first one here. We're going to go ahead and adjust the sections. Confirm the intro and structure of your newsletter. Okay, I like that. Got section titles and images that it's automatically created for us. Okay, I don't like that, so let's go ahead and hit change on that. I think that looks a little bit better. Oh, that's already, okay. Let's generate from AI. Let's see here. Let's try AI animation. Let's see if that works for us. Just let it think here. So it's nice that it has the AI animation, the image generation rather. So we're generating that image. We'll just let that work. Okay, and that looks pretty cool. I think that's closer to the mark of what we're looking for. And let's see, same thing here. We'll go ahead and just leave that as is. It's not my favorite image for this, but that's fine. And then we'll go ahead and hit generate. Okay. All right. So this is great. So Blaze has created a really nice newsletter post for us. So we have all of this. I think that looks good. Okay, so now we'll try scrolling down a bit here. We can improve the quality, we can edit the tone, we could change the length, prepare to publish, SEO analysis, check for plagiarism. Let's go ahead and try SEO analysis. Enter optional keyword. We'll just leave that as is, but we'll check here where it says SEO. One problem. Outbound links. No outbound links appear in this page. Add some. Okay. Now, will it do that for us, or Is it going to, let's just click that there. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that's just taking us to an article. So we can put those links in there if we want. Readability, 2 problems, 2 warnings. So this is pretty nice anyways. It gives us an option to just take a closer look and see if there's anything that we want to change, but we're just going to go ahead and leave it as is. Scan the contents of this document for originality. I think that's fine. View SEO analysis. So is this just kind of taking us, I guess, back and forth here. Let's go ahead and just X out of that. We're going to scroll down a little bit here. Okay. Okay, and then I think what we want to do is turn this doc into 50 plus content type. So let's click on that. And I think we want this to be a blog post. So let's go ahead and click on that. Confirm details. Okay, generate content. So we can map out our content calendar and track performance. So this is very nice. Start content calendar tour. So we could take a closer look at that there. But this is just to give you an idea of what Blaze is capable of. So, you know, you can really create a lot of content, whether it's newsletters, blog posts, images, etc. And then you can plan them on your calendar. So this is really going to allow you to have a consistent presence on social media and make sure that you're putting out quality content on a regular basis. So still generating that content. We'll go ahead and let that finish. Okay, so that's all done there. But that is basically if we want to plan that with the calendar. But if we click on the document, then it's going to open up again for us. And then here we could see that we can choose how to post. We can connect this to a blog if we want, cross post. We can share for review. I think this is maybe what we want to do, but let's go ahead and click on these 3 little dots here. Okay, here we go. So we have publish or we have export. Let's go ahead and try clicking on publish. Schedule to post automatically, post now. Export to Zapier, WordPress, HTML, or PDF. Let's try clicking post now. Okay, download Blaze plugin. So we can put in a plugin. So that's nice. So let's, this is for WordPress. Okay. So this is actually, yeah, if we want to do WordPress, we're not going to do that now. So I think in our case, what we want to do is we want to download this as a file that we can use. Let's see here. I think we'll go ahead and go with PDF. We're going to generate that. So that's exporting. And then we could download that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So look at this. This is really nice. So we now have our lovely PDF. It's all here. And from here, we can basically post this wherever we want. So this is really quite nice. It gives you an idea of everything that Blaze is capable of. And we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it. And also, if you're interested in seeing the results of our newsletter post here, go ahead and join our Discord. We just started that. We'd love to have you there. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the next one.